If your calendar is packed but your energy is empty, the problem is not effort, it's architecture. Burnout happens when you run a business built on you doing everything all the time. In this video, you will get a step-by-step reboot that restores time first, then production. It works for solo agents and teams, and you can start this week. Stay to the end and you'll learn the secret to building income that continues even when you log off. So let's get to it. I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor, EXP certified mentor, and sponsor team leader with Smart Agent Alliance, where we give agents more free value than anyone else. Every day, we work for agents to simplify their business, attract better clients, and build time, location, and financial freedom through smarter systems. If you're ready to improve your work-life balance, click the link below and join our free webinar and see why agents keep saying, "I wish I'd known about this sooner." Why burnout happens. Real estate rewards overworking and calls it a dedication. You juggle marketing, lead generation, showings, contracts, and urgent everything until Sunday nights feel like a countdown. That's not a motivation problem, it's a systems problem. Burnout builds quietly. It's the result of too many manual inputs and not enough support. Reactive marketing, scattered tools, no clear boundaries, and isolation disguised as independence. Even top producers stall under the load because the machine depends on them doing everything themselves. Hey, Rosie ran a 200 agent brokerage and carried the stress to prove it. When she moved to EXP, she found out mentorship and structure gave her freedom to lead, train, and actually breathe again. All good. What you need. Recovering from burnout is not a vacation. You'll need a systems redesign. Here are some ideas. Create automations inside a powerful CRM for follow-up, status updates, and nurturing, so you stop retyping the same messages. You can also get Fixer, so your inbox is categorized by urgency and your responses are pre-written before you hit send. Time block your showings and negotiations into defined windows, then publish those windows through a booking link that sets expectations for your clients. Use templates for offers, price changes, and inspection responses so your prep time drops. Add a showing partner for overflow so you stop crisscrossing around town. When randomness in your workflow leaves, you'll see quality rises. How EXP helps. Most brokerages don't help when you're overwhelmed. EXP gives you a complete digital command center to own your data from day one. For just $85 a month, you get your choice of a CRM, Bold Trail, Lofty, or Close, and those first two come with an IDX website. Plus, you also get SkySlope for super easy deal transactions and access to a worldwide referral network. Everything is connected, updated, and ready to use immediately. And guess what? If you prefer paying those pay-on-close leads that others get for you, well, EXP will set you up with those too through Revenos or Zoocasa, who both hand out leads like candy, but without handing them out to multiple agents at the same time. So it's all really good. EXP Realty, by the way, is the only brokerage with a full staff to give leads to agents. Most of them just say they're going to give you leads. The EXP structure also rewards ownership. Do the work and you earn EXPI stock. Help other agents build and you earn revenue share that pays monthly from the company split, not your agent's paychecks. That's income you can keep when you retire, and it's willable too. And if you're thinking you don't need revenue share, well, consider this. If you list 20 homes, you get paid once. If you list 20 agents, you get paid forever. Smart Agent Alliance Recovery Plan. On top of everything EXP, when you name Smart Agent Alliance as your sponsor, we do even more to prevent agent burnout. First, we have AI Agent Accelerator to draft follow-ups, listing copy, and social posts in your voice. Second, Client Pipeline Accelerator to run nurturing at scale so your database compounds. Third, 5 weekly masterminds for real-time help, plus mentors who help you know what to do next. Fourth, Done for you attraction funnels if you want to build that second income stream and have it work in the background. 5th, Social Agent Academy Pro to attract clients who already want to hire you. When systems carry the routine, you focus on conversations that matter. Response time speeds up without you staying glued to your phone. Referrals grow because clients feel cared for consistently. Evenings return, and your calendar stops feeling like a stress test. Burnout fades because progress is visible every week. It's like switching from pedaling uphill to riding a well-tuned e-bike. Same route, less strain, more distance. Tanya rebuilt from near collapse, combining real estate, speaking, and coaching through EXP's platform. With our team structure, purpose came back, and so did the momentum. Agent questions. How fast can I feel better? Most agents feel relief in 60 to 90 days. Once automation and boundaries replace that manual grind. Will I lose income while I slow down? You do not slow down. You replace noise with progress, so production stays steady and grows while your hours drop. Do I have to recruit? Nope. You can focus 100% on production. But our team offers those optional attraction tools that are there if you want to earn this recurring income later, where we're doing most of the lifting. Next steps. Recovery only sticks when it becomes routine. Here's how to turn what you just heard into action this week. Step 1. Triage your work. Write down every task you touch and circle the ones a system could handle 80% as well. Those go straight to automation. Things like new lead follow-up, status updates, and nurture campaigns should run without you retyping the same messages 10 times. Step 2, rebuild your rhythm. Time block client work and prospecting, then publish a booking link so people book during your best hours. Turn off push notifications after hours. Urgency doesn't have to mean 24/7. Step 3, simplify your pipeline. Use one CRM for capture, nurture, and follow-up so every lead is tagged, staged, and contacted automatically. Templates save hours and consistency builds trust. Step 4, add support early. A transaction coordinator or a part-time assistant removes the constant multitasking that drains your focus. Free your mental space so you can focus on people, not paperwork. Step 5, plug into structure. Join masterminds, adopt proven playbooks, and onboard with a sponsor that installs real infrastructure on day 1. Not another PDF library. Why this matters. When you connect burnout recovery to systems, you stop relying on willpower and start relying on design. That turns today's effort into tomorrow's stability. And EXP is different than other brokerages because here you get all that top value from the only publicly traded brokerage that has been cumulatively profitable for the last 5 years. And it's the brokerage with the highest ratings for anonymous agent reviews. But at EXP, you can also choose a powerhouse sponsor team like ours and get even more value for free. Here's what you get with Smart Agent Alliance on day 1. Dual sponsorship, passive income systems, top coaching, real community, marketing assets, referral network. Smart Agent Alliance's focus is on creating done-for-you systems so you don't have to sit through another training just to implement something. You stay focused on production while we handle the heavy lifting, all at no extra cost. If you're ready to trade burnout for a nice work-life balance and growth, click the link below, join our free webinar, then book a free chat to map out your recovery plan with EXP plus Smart Agent Alliance. For deeper details, check out our full blog, How Smart Agent Alliance Helps Burnt Out Realtors Rebuild. The link is in the description. And there should be some more videos above me right now so that you can learn more about EXP and our sponsor team. If you want clear facts, not confusion, start there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.